and welcome to the step-by-step video on how to create an account with Arkesel. To create an account or to sign up with Arkesel, first visit the website www.arkesel.com. On the website, click on the sign up button located at the top right hand corner of the page. When you click on the sign up button, you are redirected to the sign up page to complete the registration form. Please enter your first name and your last name. Please provide a valid email address in the email address field because you will need to have access to the account of the email address provided in order to verify the email address by clicking on Activate Account in the verification mail sent to you by Arkesel. Please enter your phone number and select the country where you are based. Please enter a preferred password. Please re-enter the chosen password in the Confirm Password field. Please click on the checkbox next to the I agree to the terms and conditions for using this application. Also click on the checkbox next to I am not a robot and follow through the instructions displayed. After completing all the fields on the registration form, please click on the sign up button below. A verification mail is now sent to the email address you provided. Kindly log on to that email address and open the verification mail sent to you by Arkesel and click on Activate Account link in the email. Please click on the Activate Account link here. After clicking on Activate Account, you will be redirected to the login page of Arkesel. Please enter your email address and password provided during registration. Please click on the checkbox next to I am not a robot and follow through the instruction displayed. After completing all the fields here, please click on the login button to access your Arkesel account. I hope this video has been helpful to you in signing up with Arkesel. You can also watch our other videos on how to use our services. Thank you.